Hey y'all, Keeney coming to you with another pro tip of the day. So we've got a 94 Z28 in the garage tonight, and if you've ever tried to tighten a pulley or anything that rotates when you apply torque to it, you'll know the frustration that comes when trying to tighten, specifically in this case, pulley bolts that hold that pulley onto whatever rotating assembly it's attached to. So this is a little trick that you can use to hold that pulley in place while you apply torque to the bolts and keep it from rotating. So if I slide under here and try to hang this camera without it falling on my face, you'll see we're working with the crank pulley, and if we just go to take our torque wrench and apply a normal torque to the pulley, the entire assembly turns. On this particular pulley, you will see that the face of the bolt is just barely above the surface of the face of the pulley. So there's nothing that you can really do to get a bar or a pry device in there to hold that still. So rather than try to slide a bar in there and have it keep slipping off, if you just take a socket from whatever size bolt you're working with and slide it on one of the other bolts, then take your bar and run it between that socket that you just placed in and the other bolt. Now you'll see we have the ability to pull these together and actually get our appropriate torque on that pulley. So anytime that you're working with pulleys that rotate, quick little trick. Some pulleys may have holes that go through them. You can use bolts in a similar manner if you have long bolts to slide them through where you can get a bar in to tighten. But typically, if you don't have a lot to grab on the face, because eventually after you run all those bolts in, the last bolt's going to be the problem child. With clearance, that's when you just grab another little socket, slide it on there, and get your torque. That's all I got for you tonight. I'll catch y'all on the next one.